Here's how to make money with ChatGPT. Everyone's been asking me, go to chat.openai.com, okay, and simply ask it, how can I make money with ChatGPT? As simple as that. The amount of comments we've had, how can we make money with this AI? How can we do this with this AI? Ask it yourself. It's so easy. Watch what happens. I had to make this video just to show you. How can I make money with ChatGPT? Well, here are several ways you can potentially make money with a language model like ChatGPT. And then it will reel them out for you. Now, guys, this is a generic way to make money, but you can actually go in deep and ask it about your niche. So you can say, okay, now can you tell me how to make the money with using lawyer documents, or with using graphic design, with using anything, all right? You do it to your niche and ChatGPT will give you the answer. It's the most powerful AI we have ever seen as a race. Now, which one is easiest? Like this is what we can say. Which one is easiest for beginners to make money with? Okay, and it will tell you, well, this one's actually quite hard. This one's easy. This has no emotion, so it won't lie. It won't swindle you. This is a real AI that is processing language like no other. Guys, that's how you make money with ChatGPT. Ask it, okay? Like and follow for more how-to videos.